Yeah, Chandy, we're learning more about 51-year-old Aaliyah Lopez, who tragically passed away yesterday after a steel cylinder broke loose from a construction site right here behind me and killed her on impact. We're also learning more about her life and everything else. Aaliyah Lopez, we have learned, was an employee at UPMC Western Psychiatric Hospital. Pittsburgh's Action News 4 first brought you the story yesterday morning when police and EMS were called to the scene of Terrace Street right near Peterson Event Center here in Oakland. Authorities say Lopez was walking with colleagues when a large steel cylinder broke free from the University of Pittsburgh Victory Heights construction site. She was declared dead within a minute of medical arrival. According to a GoFundMe set up for her family, Lopez was a mother of 3. She also leaves behind a mother, a sister, cousins, and plenty of friends and colleagues. All have been pouring tributes on social media. Now, that investigation into her death is still underway, and we have posted a link to that GoFundMe on our website at WTAE.com. Reporting live from Oakland, Yasmin Rodriguez, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.